If you run a small business, this is what your day really looks like. Your invoices live in one place, your tasks in another. Your renewals are in someone's inbox. And the actual answer to how is my business doing right now is somewhere in your head. That's the problem. We are solving it now. It's not that the small businesses don't have tools, they have too many of them, and the existing ones are either too basic or built for enterprises with onboarding teams and six-figure budgets. So we built OpsHub, one dashboard, revenue, active clients, task completions, and what needs your attention today, all in one platform. The owner opens it in the morning and in 5 seconds knows exactly where the business stands. Underneath is a real operational system: workers, clients, tasks, invoices, everything connected to one platform. Communication with your team and with your clients lives next to your work itself, not buried in email threads. And the small things that quietly cost business money, like domains, hosting, servers, that expired because nobody tracked it. OpsHub watches those for you and sends the reminder before it becomes a problem. We are a team of four. The foundation is Zulbera, a software company I've been building since I was 16, now serving clients across the globe. Alongside that, the team includes winners of many international competition, uh, NASA Space Apps, STEC, etc. So this isn't a concept. We are building it on top of a real operational experiences and a real customer base. OpsHub isn't trying to replace how small businesses work. It's removing the chaos around how they already work and giving the owner one clear answer to important question: how is my business actually running now?